Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make apple strudel. This is a recipe video, and I know I used to do these back in the day and I haven't done one for quite a few years now, but since I learned how to make this recipe, apple strudel, I have been making it all the time because it's so good, and I thought it would be just so selfish for me not to share because you would love it. And it's quite a healthy dessert as well, so that's an added bonus. So today in this video I will be showing you how you can make the most delicious, vegan, wholesome apple strudel. Now what you need to do is add 500 grams of dough to a mixing bowl. Add 80 grams of oil, 240 to 260 grams of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and you'll mix that together. You'll knead the dough for about 20 minutes. Now if you have a machine you can use that, but I like to use my hands, give my hands a bit of a workout. Once that's done, you just cover with a hot lid. This helps the dough to become elastic, and once you've done that, just let it sit for about an hour. After that, you can keep the dough in the fridge. I mean, you don't have to use it the same day. It keeps for about a few days or so. So if you just want to make the dough and save it for a later date, you can do that. So once you have the dough ready, you make the apple filling. Now you need about 6 to 7 apples. These apples that I'm using, they are from the farm here, last year's produce, and they are still good and delicious. So you peel the skin off and you cut those up into small pieces, and then you mix with a bit of lemon zest, and then you use lemon juice. I use about 3 lemons, and this is what gives it such a delicious, like sweet citric taste. It's so good. It just gives it that amazing flavor. You add some blended nuts. I'm using almonds, and you add some sugar, and you can add some raisins as well. I usually do that as well, raisins or cranberries, but I don't have any at the moment. Nevertheless, the apples will do just fine. So once you've mixed that all in, you now roll the dough. Now this dough can make 4 logs. I usually just cut it in half and only make 2 and save the other half for a later date in the fridge. So you need to roll the dough out so it's a flat rectangular shape, as flat as you can. This can be quite tricky. Once you've done that, you just add the apples. You just flatten it on that dough, that flat dough. Try and make it as flat as you can, and then you just roll it into a log. And once you've done that, you just add a bit of oil on top. You can sprinkle some coconut, nuts, sugar, and then you just leave it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 200 degrees. And there you have it. Simple and most importantly, delicious. Enjoy.